Good evening, everyone. My name is Joe Hernandez. I am the assistant for the faculty advisor at LA Valley College Abilities Club and the assistant in the Adaptive Fitness Center with kinesiology and athletics. I also am the team manager for the baseball program, softball program, and women's soccer program and women's aquatics program, which features women's water polo, women's swimming and diving. I also am the uh, current I assist with the director of athletics Jim Fenwick, which he will be retiring before the winter session begins. So we want to wish him a congratulations to him, and I'll be in touch with him soon. Our interim, um, as of today, I'm hearing that which Dave Malice has came over, dropped something off with me, told me that he will be taking over the interim director of athletics. With there will be a co-director of athletics. It will be with Monica Hain, who is the current women's head baseball coach. Those those people will take over Jim Fenwick's job starting ours. He Those two will take over the roles of athletics. As of today, the district decided to opt out of the fall sports, which will start will start on January 4th with conditioning and training, and then put all together with football and women's basketball. That will affect women's water polo, men's water polo, and women's soccer at LA Valley College. I know coaches and players are frustrated, but they need to hit you guys anytime if you're not careful. The virus can spread fast, and we will have an issue at Valley. I understand we want to go back and get conditioning and all that taken care of and see a field or floor or whatever you guys want to do. But we got to remind ourselves that our numbers are going up, and I will be reading the latest update on COVID-19 today on here. LA County Public Health Department, State University um, are urging, um, actually, the state has put us in a purple tier, which is not good news right now. As we enter the holiday season and Christmas, which Christmas Eve falls on a tomorrow night, and on Friday is Christmas Day, and then you got the weekend. We our part to stay safe and happy holidays. If you guys spend time with your family, please do it outdoors with small gathering with 25% capacity, 100 or less people. And wear face covering, use hand sanitizer, wash your hands, and try social distance as much as you can. I know it's going to be hard. I know it's not going to be easy to follow those rules, but we have to do it to slow the spread of COVID-19. I know everybody's traveling. I'm asking everyone, there's still going to be a travel advisory warning for Oregon, Washington, and California. If you travel out of the state, once you get back, please quarantine for 14 days. That advisory will be in effect until after the New Year's. I know this week we ended our 10 p.m. 5 a.m. state curfew in LA County curfew. Nobody has decided to. They were undecided if they're going to extend it or not, so it already expired. But I recommend nobody go out at night, anyways, because we can slow the spread of COVID-19 that way too. But if you have to go out, we understand. On December 28th, we have to make a decision on Monday to either extend that stay-at-home order to after New Year's, or just keep it in expired and let you guys know that the numbers are going high and we need to curve the numbers down. Our ICU beds are at 0%, which I will get that information in a minute. We want that percentage to go above 15% or more. I want it to go 100%. So we could get room in our ICU and hospitalizations to treat needs the care. We can, pretty soon we're going to have to turn patients and people away from hospitals and find other alternatives and decline people from hospitals and ICUs because we're too full. We are at 0%. We cannot take any more patients, and I fear that this is going to get worse. And we are concerned now. So we're asking and urging everyone to do your part this weekend, to stay home as much as you can. Only go out essential business like stores, grocery stores, malls. If you have to do Christmas shopping, but follow protocols. Um, Pharmacies, CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, um, shopping, um, personal cares, and all that. So we're asking restaurants to only serve takeouts, deliveries, and carryouts only. No outdoor dinings or indoor dinings. We also expired the indoor dinings and outdoor dinings. That means that we could have done indoor and outdoor dinings again, but they decided not to do that until the regional stay-at-home order is lifted. So it's kind of complicated, guys. So right now, with all these rules they're putting out on us. Protests. You guys can protest. Just make sure you be careful out there. We also urge churches to still do outdoor services. It doesn't matter where you're at. We're also urging. We are allowing people who protest for indoor services at churches to resume services indoors, but we have to do 25% capacity or less with 100 or less people, and there's tight restrictions on that. But you could follow you could, if you have any questions or comments, please contact me on that. Um, what else I was going to tell you guys? I also want to, but everybody's asking you guys to do indoor, not outdoor services if you can. So as much as you can. So I also recommend not to do indoor services, but if you can, you can. If you can't, you can't. So I'm leaving it up to you guys. What's the best decision you want to make? What's what's the decision you want to make? What's best for the churches? So just wanted to relate that message to everyone. Um, so I spent 10 minutes of talking about what's going on the rest of the week. So I want to wish everyone a happy holidays. I hope you're safe out there. Um, Hope you're following rules and regulation, the 5 rules, which I just want to relate to that. So let me give you the latest numbers on what we're seeing today. Um, our COVID-19 in LA County. Daily new cases as of today is at 12,700 confirmed likely cases, which is under pink. Pink means it's still very dangerous as of Monday when I report it on Zoom, which I will be doing soon, recordings on Zoom today also. The infection rates are, which is the R threshold, which is the one threshold. We're still went down a little bit as of Monday. It's at 1.17 on the 7-day average, which is a color orange. Orange is that's just a warning. So it went, which is good news. Our positive test rate is still under orange, which is warning. Today it's at 17.2%, which is a 7-day average, indicates insignificant testing. Our ICU headroom use is at the color red, which is red means dangerous, is at 93% at a 7-day average. That's not good news. It's high risk of a hospital overload. So I just want to warn everyone on that. Today, the pandemic brought another record-breaking day to LA County on as of right now, as of yesterday. The virus killed over 1,000 Angelenos in the past 2 weeks. In those 2 weeks, the numbers of COVID-19 patients currently hospitalized and it has nearly doubled. Hospitals are trying to make more room, but their trained staff are limited, and quality of care is suffering. The CDC this week has accepted its advisory committee recommendation about who should get COVID-19 vaccines first. In phase 1A happening now, vaccines are going to healthcare workers and long-term care residents. In phase 1B are frontline essential workers and people age 75 and older. In 1C, phase 1C are people with high risk medical conditions, people who are age 65 or 64, age 65 or above, and other essential workers. Each state makes its own vaccine distribution. The local situation continues to get worse Monday. Hospitals are running out of staff, on an average of 313 healthcare workers and over 14,000 new cases per day. Just 3 weeks ago, the average was at 4,000 per day. The health director begged residents to skip in-person holiday gatherings where the quality of care is already suffering. On Monday, Governor Newsom said that the Southern California counties and Valley regions are still at 0% ICU capacity. He said regional stay-at-home order is in effect. As a result, it will likely to be extended, but we'll still make that decision on December 28th. The governor sent California vaccines about 70,000 healthcare workers last week. He said that the state will hold a public meeting today, well, it's supposed to be today, to discuss will we get vaccine to healthcare workers and nursing home residents. And that's it. I had to update also. So let's update you on the statistics, okay? The most recent data shows that yesterday's most recent data shows that the local rate of transmission is at 1.2, which actually went down by 4% as of yesterday, Monday, meaning that active cases are rapidly increasing, but slowly. Today, we're reporting 12,693 new cases in LA County, which is additional 2.0% to a total of confirmed cases in LA County to 647,542 are in today. There are 27,754 new test results, which is today's new test results numbers as of right now. And today, our current numbers, our total, our total confirmed new test results are additional six, with a recent 15.9% of the positive rate, which that rose as of today. There are 5,866 current COVID 19 hospitalizations, with additional 2.65%. And there are, and the sad part I'm reporting, and I hate to report this to you guys, and our prayers and thoughts are going out to the family and loved ones and friends. Today, we are reporting, as of right now, 85 new deaths with an additional 0.95%, and to our total confirmed deaths in LA County is at 9,016 confirmed people, total people. So I'm asking everyone today to be mindful as we hit into the holidays, into Christmas weekend. And don't forget, I will do another update on Monday. Just remind everyone just to wear your face coverings when you're in public places, face covering mask, hand sanitize, wash your hands, um, stay 6 feet apart from strangers who might be sick, or who you don't know that person might have the virus. No large gatherings, only small gatherings with 25% capacity or 100 or less people. I'm asking everyone to do their part to stop the spread of COVID 19, and please get our numbers down. Please get our ICUs and hospitalization up with their percentage above 15% or more. I'll be happy if it's 100% at the beginning of the year. We'll take any number that is above 15% or above, but we need to be proactive. Everyone out there, please do your part to help us uh, to slow the spread of COVID 19. I don't know about you guys, but I want to go back to normal. I want to go back to work. I want to go back to my life for once. Um, yeah, I don't know about you guys, but I'm done staying at home doing these briefings. So it's up to you guys what you want to do. So, any questions or comments, please contact me. I left it in the live chat room. Call me 818-270-4752, or you can email me at josephhernandez96 at yahoo.com if you have questions or comments. There's all sources for anxiety, stress, and other mental health issues. Please seek read those resources at our coronavirus update at lavc.edu. I want to thank everyone for watching me, talking to me. I will have a Zoom update soon. Um, I know the president is updating me today, so from Valley College. So I wanted to update that on Zoom, and I'll send that weekend, everyone, and we'll see you on Monday. Also, wish happy birthday to Dave Malice. It will be our weekend. Be safe out there. Enjoy your holidays. Enjoy your break.